The ExperiMENTALS. Test tubes and fantastic discoveries of the world.
Dropping science on them. Dropping science on them.
The ExperiMENTALs.
Hello! Origami is the ancient Japanese art of paper folding. With a single sheet of paper, you can fold and make such beautiful things as this crane. Or this frog.
Or you can make this paper plane, this groovy hat, or a telescope, see?
Wow, that's very impressive. May I look?
Sure.
Idiot!
Oh. Have you ever heard you can't fold a piece of paper more than 7 times?
6.
Looks like it's true.
7?
Yeah, not gonna get 8.
I reckon we'll get 8.
Yeah. Nah.
Maybe not.
But then have you ever wondered, what if I had a really, really big piece of paper? Well, guess
what we've got?
A really big piece of paper!
Let's go to our corners. One.
2.
3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8.
So hang on a minute. Looks like that old fact is a load of baloney. Well, almost. For small bits of paper, the Sevenfold Rule is usually true.
Now, there are 2 reasons paper gets harder and harder to fold in half. Every time you fold, it gets half as big, and smaller things are harder to fold. On top of that, every time you fold it, it gets twice as fat, and thick things are harder to fold.
After 6 folds, the paper's 64 sheets thick. After 7 folds, it's a whopping 128 sheets thick.
Doubling doesn't sound like much, but when you do it a lot, it gets really huge really quickly.
There's a word for when things just keep doubling like that. It's called exponential growth. Say it with me, Ruby. Exponential growth.
And it isn't just paper that does it.
Ah.
Bacteria double in number all the time, and they look something like this row of rice, doubling their numbers every 20 minutes, so in a few hours, one little bacterium can turn into thousands of the suckers.
So kids, never leave your sandwiches lying around for hours.
Especially not rice sandwiches. And bacteria aren't the only thing that grow by doubling.
So do nuclear explosions.
A nuclear reaction starts with one little atom smashing into another and breaking it in 2. Then those 2 bits smash into 2 other atoms and break them into 2.
And it just keeps on going until you end up with a giant hooer of a bang.
Luke, we'll show you. Captain Ruby, how is that bomb coming along?
Does the black go to the red or does the black go to the black?
Never mind, Captain Ruby. We'll show you one we prepared earlier on a small Pacific island. Sacre bleu, that was a big one.
Yeah, okay, the black goes to the red.
Captain Ruby, not yet.